Rasmalai is one of those recipes that I learned it from my mom and I could never fail it because she will disown me. It's very easy to make, a bit tricky but very easy to make. Require 2 steps only and we will start with the dough. I am taking 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of milk powder, seeds of 2 cardamoms. You can add more if you like the stronger taste of cardamom. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm gonna add desi ghee. You can add butter or simple ghee, whatever is available. I'm beating 1 egg, but we will use the required amount only to knead our dough. We will add our beaten egg in small portions to knead the dough. Do not add all at once, otherwise your dough will be runny and watery. Your dough should look like this. We will keep it aside and move towards our next step. I'm adding 4 cups of milk in a pan and 1/3 cup of castor sugar. You can use powdered sugar as well. And please adjust the sweetness as per your taste. We are gonna cook our milk on medium flame until it's thick or left half in the quantity. Meanwhile, we will make the balls of our dough. Okay, a small tip here that always make the balls in small size. That helps them to cook really well. I prepare all the balls together so that they all get the same cooking time. Our milk has left half in the quantity and quite thicker in its texture, which means our milk is ready. A lot of people add cardamom seeds in the milk as well, but I am not a huge fan of cardamom, so I'm not adding. If you like it, go ahead. Okay, now we will add the balls in the milk one by one. Now comes the tricky part. Add the balls all at once so that they all get the same cooking time and cover it with the lid. At this stage, turn the flame to medium low. Let them rise and you need to be very gentle while changing the position of the balls, otherwise you are going to break it. Cover the lid again so that they cook really well, but turn off the flame right away because we are not going to overcook them, otherwise our all balls will break down and they will be more like a kheer. Because it has happened to me in the earlier days when I was learning, so it could happen to you as well. Look at them, they are perfectly ready. We are going to garnish it with the crushed pistachios. You can use almonds or anything you like. You can even skip the step, that's totally up to you. We will let it cool down for a bit and then we will transfer it to a serving bowl. Guys, do refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours at least before serving because they taste even better when they are chilled. Enjoy!